Sosh, first competitive game in 16 months on Saturday. How you feel about it?
Looking forward to it. It's been a long time. Just thinking the day the last game was Carmarthen away, so it's been a long time. The lads are really looking forward to it, so yeah, can't wait.
How's the squad shaping up for it?
A few injuries, few niggles again. I think it's going to be the same all season at the moment. You know, lads have been a long time playing, so we're just picking up minor injuries at the moment. So hopefully we'll be okay.
And it's Gillsfield first up. How do you feel about them as opponents? Get us going.
Yeah, strong team. You know, Nathan Leonard gets a good squad there. It's going to be a tough game, so I'm glad we're playing at home and we're looking forward to it. So we know it's going to be tough, but we're looking forward to it.
And lastly, just looking ahead, next week after that we've got Clongeffney as well, and Holyhead within the space of 3 days.
Yeah, like I said, we're starting quite early this year. You know, we've got lads away on holiday, a few injuries, so I think everybody's going to be in the same boat. But at the end of the day, we're not mourning. We want to play football. We've been waiting a long time to play it, so we're all looking forward to it happening.